hi, Polumi here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this particular eye makeup look over here, which is basically a candy cane inspired Christmas look, which you can already tell because of the entire red and white scenario going on over my face. So yeah, if you want to know how I achieve this particular makeup look over here, please keep on watching. So now as you can see that I'm totally done with my base makeup and I've also prepped and primed my eyelids. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly go on towards my eyeshadow palette, and from today I am going to take my Colourpop Cosmetics Mean Crease palette, which is basically this one. I am playing with this after a long time. So yeah, I'm just going to take this a beautiful shade over here, which is known as Like It's Hot, which is basically this one over here, and I'm just going to start putting it onto my crease area, but like, you know, a little above my crease area, not directly onto my crease area, because my crease is here, and if I put it onto like that area, everything is going to hide when I just stare. So yeah, I'm just going to put a little above my crease area. So you know, I'm just drawing an outline. So now at this point, when you can see that I'm totally done with that red shade, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and blend that off. And to blend, I'm just going to use my Morphe X James Charles palette, and from this beautiful palette over here, I'm just going to use this red shade over here, which is basically this one, and I'm just going to use this particular shade over here, and I'm just going to give this thingy a nice blend. So now at this point, when you can see that I'm totally done with that blending, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this beautiful shade over here, which is basically from this particular palette, and that is known as Red Buttons, which is basically this one over here. So I'm just going to take this beautiful shade over here, and I'm just going to darken up the crease area a little bit more to create the depth and dimension that I want, so that it looks, you know, very deep and so now at this point, when I'm done putting on that dark red shade, which was known as Red Buttons, onto like the crease area, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and take my TF Beauty water activated liner in the shade Extra Miles, which is basically a white water activated liner which looks like this. So I'm just going to draw that candy cane effect onto like this area where I have just drawn the, you know, this entire shape. So I'm just beneath that shape, I'm just going to draw the candy canes. So now at this point, when you can see that I'm totally done with that candy cane effect onto my lids face, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a nice winged liner, but not with the help of a winged liner, you know, like a graphic liner pen or anything like that, but with some glitters. Yes, you heard it right. I'm just going to put on glitters onto like this area of my eyes, and I'm just going to put it onto like a shape of a glitter so that it looks like a glitter winged liner. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. But before going on towards the glitter, I'm just going to take my NYX Epic Ink liner, which is basically this one over here, as you can see. So I'm just going to use my NYX Epic Ink liner, and I'm just going to draw a nice thick winged liner onto my lash line. So now as you can see that I'm done with that winged liner using my NYX Epic Ink liner, I'm just going to go towards my back glitter distraction, which is basically this one. This is basically a glitter primer, so I'm just going to tap it onto my black liner, and so that, you know, I can move ahead with my glitters. So now at this point, when you can see that I'm done with that glitter, like putting up those loose glitter onto my lash line and doing a shape of a winged liner, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go behind the camera, put on some falsies and some mascara and complete the other eye, and I will be right back. So now I'm back after putting on my falsies and completing the other eye. And on my lips today I'm wearing my Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lip Color, which is basically this one. It is in the shade Heartbreaker. So I'm basically wearing this beautiful shade on my lips, and I have topped it up with some lip gloss, and the lip gloss is from Lime Crime. It is the Wet Cherry Disco Cherry collection. The shade name is Disco Cherry. So yeah, I'm wearing this beautiful combo over here on my lips. So this is how my lips turned out to be, and I'm in love with how my makeup turned out to be. I am loving it at the moment. Oh my god, it's looking so good. Oh my god, I am currently obsessed with how my makeup is looking right now. I'm loving it. So yeah, this is how my makeup turned out to be. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video as much as I have enjoyed filming this video. So if you guys have enjoyed watching this video, then do not forget to like this video and maybe subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys next day with yet another more interesting topic. Till then, take care, keep it glam, and love you all as always.